The morning is quiet and the world is slowly waking up. Soft sunlight shines through the trees and the fresh air feels clean and peaceful. Everything around you seems calm. The birds are singing, the flowers are opening, and a gentle breeze moves the leaves. Nature never rushes. It takes its time, and everything happens when the moment is right. Today is a new day. Yesterday is behind you, and tomorrow has not arrived yet. Right now, you have a new beginning. You have a new chance to smile, to learn something new, and to enjoy the little moments that make life beautiful. Before the day becomes busy, take a deep breath. Listen to the quiet sounds around you. Feel the warmth of the morning sun. Let your heart become calm. Sometimes happiness is not something we have to find. Sometimes it is already here, waiting for us to notice it. Today, you have a simple choice. You can carry yesterday's worries with you, or you can open your heart to something new. Every positive day begins with one small decision, and perhaps that decision can begin right now. As you continue your walk, you begin to notice the little things around you. A butterfly rests on a flower. The sunlight dances on the leaves. A bird flies freely across the blue sky. None of these moments is big or extraordinary, but together they make the morning feel special. Life is often the same. We wait for something big to make us happy, but happiness usually arrives quietly. It can be found in a warm cup of tea, a kind smile from a stranger, or a peaceful moment when everything feels still. Being positive does not mean that every day is perfect. Some days are cloudy. Some days are difficult. Everyone has moments of sadness, fear, or doubt. That is part of life. But even on difficult days, there is always something good to see. It may be very small, but it is there. When you choose to notice the good things, your heart becomes lighter and your mind becomes calmer. Positivity begins with gratitude. It begins when you stop for a moment and say, "Today, I have something to be thankful for." One small thought can change the way you see the whole day. The more you look for light, the more light you will find. As the day moves on, the sunlight becomes warmer and the world feels full of life. You look around once more and realize that nothing has changed. The trees are still the same. The sky is still the same. The gentle breeze still moves through the leaves. The only thing that has changed is the way you see this moment. When your heart is calm, even ordinary things become beautiful. A smile feels brighter. A quiet walk feels more peaceful. A simple moment becomes a happy memory. You do not need a perfect life to feel happy. You only need to notice the good that is already around you. Every morning gives you a new beginning. Every step gives you a new opportunity. Every smile brings a little more light into the world. So choose kindness. Choose gratitude, choose hope. Not because every day is easy, but because every day is a chance to grow. Take a deep breath. Let go of yesterday. Welcome today with an open heart. And remember, a positive life is built one beautiful moment at a time. Thank you for spending this peaceful journey with us. We hope this story brought a little more calm to your day. Until we meet again, keep smiling, keep believing, keep breathing. Breathe English.